Hi, let's start with dictionary concatenation. How to merge the two dictionaries, or I can say how to combine two dictionaries. Okay, so there are different methods to perform the concatenation of dictionary data type. Let us go with one by one. First method is by using a function update method. Okay, so let us create two dictionary. Okay, we have created the two dictionary, right? And we have assigned some value to it, right? Key value pairs, right? Now, how to merge uh, these two dictionary with the help of update method, right? Let us take a variable, first variable, then call the function update and give the value as a second variable, right? Okay, now let us print this one, right? So whatever you are making the concatenation, it is going to store in the result in this dictionary one variable, okay? So print uh, dictionary are concatenated using update method. So the result will be stored in the first variable, right? So we are going to print the first variable, right? See, you can see what is the result we have. It has been merged, right? We have dictionary 1 and followed by dictionary 2, right? And all the values, key values pairs are merged, right? Fine. So this is the first method. Second method, using unpack, unpack operator. With the help of unpack operator, let us create a two dictionary again. Okay, let us print a variable, and what is the operator we have to use? One second. Let us create one more dictionary, so that we are going to store the answer in dictionary 3, right? And the syntax for it, you need to write the flower bracket and double star, then the variable, that first dictionary variable, comma, then double star, and the second variable, right? So it is going to perform the concatenation of these two dictionaries, and the results are stored in the third variable, that is dictionary 3. Okay, let us print the dictionary 3. Okay, so let us execute it. Okay, so we got all the key value pairs are merged, right? Fine. Now let us go with the other method by using one more operator called as merge operator. Okay, so again take a two dictionaries, and I'll directly write inside the print statement dictionary 1, and the symbolic representation is a straight line, and dictionary 2. Okay, let us execute it. So we'll get the merge of two dictionaries, or I can say the combination of two dictionaries with the help of merge operator. Merge operator is represented by a straight line, right? And unpack operator is represented by double star, right? And what is the syntax for it? Curly brackets. First value should be double star, a dictionary variable, comma, again double star, and the second dictionary variable, right? And final result, we are going to store it in the third variable, dictionary 3, right? Okay. So the first one we gone with update method. We are using the update function and passing the dictionary variable to it. And the result we are going to store it in the first variable, right? So these are the three possible way of doing the concatenation using the dictionary data type. Okay, thank you.